All right, we have some big breaking news coming in. Inside track of Mumbai court hearing in the drugs case begins. India Today accesses some details there. While you have a battery of lawyers, Shah Rukh Khan's team of lawyers there who are currently present, the public prosecutor cites drug recovered based on the intel reports. In fact, the NCB lawyer says 13 grams of cocaine, 5 grams of MD that has been seized from them. Aryan has been charged with consumption of drugs. This is the information given by the NCB to the lawyers, to the judge currently observing this case. Arbaz Munmun charged with possession of drugs. Here the inside track currently coming in from the Mumbai court, the India Today accesses. Divyesh, take us through exactly what the judge has observed here. The public prosecutor, we believe, has cited the drugs that have been recovered, with the NCB giving out details on the kind of drugs, including MDMA and cocaine and hashish. That's what they claim. And they note it very clearly, break it down to the judge there, saying that this is the kind of drugs that have been seized and recovered from them, and therefore they want custody.
Exactly, Nabila. There's a variety of drugs that have been seized from the accused trio. So that is what is being pointed out by the prosecution to the court to show the seriousness of this case, that the intent was there, the intent for consumption was there, and that is why these variety of drugs were being carried by some of the accused, while some of the accused had readily consumed these drugs, and they tested positive when they had been tested for consumption by the Narcotics Control Bureau. That is what the NCB's lawyer or the prosecutor is pointing out to the court, so that they could seek further custody of the accused. They want to interrogate the accused further. They want to know the chain of supply, and that is why these points are being made by the prosecutor, so that details could be found out regarding the peddlers, regarding the suppliers who'd been supplying these drugs, who'd been running this supply, regular supply of drugs, or variety of drugs being supplied by these peddlers. Nabila?
Well, here you have a lot of information that the public prosecutor seems to be giving at this moment. They have very detailed explanation that they've given to the judge there about the kind of drugs that they have recovered from the 3 of them. And that also includes 13 grams of cocaine, 5 grams of mephedrone, 21 grams of charas, and 22 pills of ecstasy, and over 1 lakh cash that was seized. Now, here we're looking at the public prosecutor asking for custody of the 3 of them until the 5th of October. Divyesh, if you can elaborate on that. They want custody until the 5th of October. They want to question them on where they've accessed these drugs from, and who exactly is the peddler, and how did they get to accessing this large chunk of contrabands. Is that right?
Exactly, Nabila. That is what the NCB wants to know. Remember, the Narcotics Control Bureau's charter is to cut down on supply of these drugs, and that is why they want to know about details about the person who supplied these drugs, person or persons who had supplied these drugs to these 3 accused persons, and that is why they want further custody of the accused. They also will be interrogating them regarding others, if others had consumed these drugs with them. Remember, NCB has a list of all the people who had attended the cruise and who were present along with these 3 persons on the cruise liner, on board this cruise liner, and they were there to attend this particular event. They will be drawing a list of those people. They will be interrogating these particular accused persons and will try to get more and more details about the person who had consumed these drugs along with them, who had either purchased these drugs along with them but were not nabbed during the bust, and also regarding the details of the peddlers, of the suppliers who were part of a drug cartel, of a drug syndicate which is being run in Mumbai, where these variety of contraband is being supplied to youngsters in Mumbai.